Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC P0016 indicates a correlation problem between the camshaft position CMP sensor A and the crankshaft position CKP sensor. This DTC is significant as it affects engine performance and can lead to various operational issues. The CMP sensor is responsible for monitoring the position of the camshaft to ensure the correct timing of the engine's valves. Its location is generally on the engine's cylinder head, whereas the CKP sensor is located near the crankshaft, monitoring its position as well. A malfunction in either of these sensors can disrupt the engine's timing, leading to poor performance or increased emissions. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, will store this DTC when it detects that the phase of the intake camshaft is outside the specified range compared to a standard phase value. It's crucial to address this error promptly to maintain engine efficiency and vehicle safety. DTC P0016 signifies a discrepancy between the intake camshaft's phase, as reported by the CMP sensor A, and the standard phase value. The primary components involved are the CMP sensor and the CKP sensor, both of which are vital for the engine's timing functions. The CMP sensor A is usually mounted on the cylinder head, providing real-time data about the camshaft's position. The CKP sensor, situated near the crankshaft, helps in determining the crankshaft's rotational position. If there's an excessive difference between these values, the PCM recognizes this as a fault and actively stores the DTC in memory. This can result in various operational issues, including engine misfires, decreased fuel efficiency, or increased emissions. Therefore, timely identification and rectification of this issue are essential for optimal engine performance. Several factors could contribute to the appearance of DTC P0016. A faulty CMP sensor A is a primary cause, where the sensor may not accurately report the camshaft's position to the PCM. This can happen due to internal malfunctions or physical damage to the sensor. Another potential cause is a faulty CKP sensor, which may also fail to provide correct readings. In addition, issues related to oil flow, such as blockages in the DTC system, can cause improper operation of the variable timing control DTC actuator, leading to incorrect camshaft timing. A lack of oil pressure or dirty oil can further exacerbate these issues, impairing sensor functionality. Lastly, mechanical problems with the cam chain or its auto tensioner could also produce a similar fault, affecting timing precision and contributing to DTC P0016. The symptoms associated with DTC P0016 may manifest in various ways, significantly impacting the driving experience. If the camshaft and crankshaft position are out of sync, you may notice noticeable engine performance issues, including a lack of power during acceleration. Poor fuel economy is another common symptom, as the engine may need to work harder to compensate for timing discrepancies, leading to increased fuel consumption. Drivers might also experience rough idling or even engine stalling, especially at low RPMs. Additionally, the vehicle may exhibit increased emissions due to incomplete combustion as the timing is not optimal. Thus, addressing DTC P0016 is vital to restoring proper vehicle performance and ensuring compliance with emission standards. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0016 involves ensuring the vehicle is in the off lock mode and allowing the engine to cool below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. This is crucial to prevent thermal interference that could affect sensor readings. After the engine has cooled, start it and allow the vehicle to idle without a load, such as in park or neutral or N. During this idling phase, monitor the system's performance for any abnormal indicators. Once the engine has been idling for a few moments, check the onboard diagnostics for DTC P0016 presence. This step helps determine if the problem persists and establishes the foundation for subsequent diagnostic actions. In the second troubleshooting step, you will need to turn the vehicle to the on mode, which activates the necessary systems for diagnostics without starting the engine. Once in this mode, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, and select the in-VTC function. This diagnostic tool is critical for assessing the variable timing control system's operation. After selecting the relevant function, evaluate the test results displayed. If the result indicates that the test is not okay, it verifies that the failure persists, thereby validating the detected issue. Documenting these findings is essential, as the outcome will influence the next steps in the troubleshooting process. For the third step in troubleshooting DTC P0016, ensure that the vehicle is again in the off-lock mode, and that the engine has cooled to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Once you confirm these conditions, start the engine and allow it to idle without load. The next critical action is to monitor the HDS for the VTC status to ensure it is on. Waiting until HDS indicates that the VTC status is on is crucial, as it confirms that the variable timing control system is operational. If the VTC status remains off, it signifies a potential problem with the VTC system or related components. Also, during this phase, keep an eye on the OBD status for DTC P0016 to check if it persists. After troubleshooting and addressing the underlying issues associated with DTC P0016, it is vital to perform a final verification to ensure that all repairs were successful. Begin by resetting the Powertrain Control Module PCM, which removes any stored faults and allows for new data to be recorded. Following this, clear the crankshaft position CKP pattern, a vital step as it prepares the system to relearn the correct position after repairs are made. Once the CKP pattern is cleared, proceed with the CKP pattern learning phase, where the PCM recalibrates itself to understand the engine's timing once again. This step is essential for restoring proper functionality and performance of the engine. Ensure all verification steps are documented, as they confirm the effectiveness of the repairs implemented. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding the reoccurrence of DTC P0016 and ensuring the long-term performance of your Honda Accord. Regular oil changes are the first line of defense. Maintaining clean oil is essential for the proper functioning of the engine and its components, including the VTC system. Additionally, it is vital to inspect the variable timing control VTC components periodically. Checking the VTC oil control solenoid and actuator is essential to ensure they are functioning correctly and not obstructed by debris or oil sludge. Monitoring engine performance through routine diagnostic checks can help catch issues before they escalate. These preventive measures will help ensure that your vehicle remains in optimal condition and reduce the risk of timing-related DTCs in the future. In conclusion, understanding the roles of the camshaft position, CMP sensor A, and the crankshaft position, CKP sensor, is essential when dealing with DTC P0016. This code indicates a timing correlation problem that can significantly affect vehicle performance if left unaddressed. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps is crucial for accurately diagnosing and remedying the issue. These steps not only help identify the root cause, but also provide a pathway to effective solutions. Finally, engaging in proactive preventive maintenance will go a long way in safeguarding against future issues related to this DTC. By staying ahead of potential problems through regular maintenance, you can ensure the longevity of your engine and overall vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.